so actually wasn't wrong.
Oh yeah.
Where's the bed?
Put it down.
It is down.
Do you know where the pin for your paddleboard is? Huh?
It's got up. Guys, we're gonna do a little food review of mac and cheese with some very real hot dogs.
The camp gates close at 7.
We can't leave and go back in.
Yeah, they're closed from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Close 11 a.m. to 7 a.m.
Charlie would see this and like actually go insane.
Yeah.
No, I'm asking. Is it the handle?
Super strong. And you already made that joke. Let's go. Oh shit!
If I had a fit, it would have broke right there.
Just stack them on top of each other and carry them like normal. Can we just go now?
Oh yeah, let's carry it.
Ow! Ow! Dylan, that hurt.
Like in the bag.
No.
You're gone with your fucking fin. Yo, your curve is gone, get it?
Oh my god, Dylan! Dylan's gonna lose his shit.
You guys want to go cliff jumping?
Yeah, right now.
Whoa! That's like a creek.
Creek jumping.
Oh my god, Ben!
Hey, what are you doing? Just drop the paddleboard or slide down.
Oh wow.
But you.
Hey, Ben's an idiot. It's okay.
Relax.
Oh. Yeah, shortcut.
You live so close.
Sorry for the little special. Dylan's fucking gone. Did you try to hit me?
Stop. I almost made it.
Water's so hot.
Really?
Really?
We're making dinner.
Like not even joking, yo.
I'm crying. That was that tense. Hey guys, we just came back from
Great idea.
paddleboarding. Oh no, we just came back from. We went down to like the middle of the highway to get signal because there's no signal up here. But yeah, now we're making dinner. We're just chilling. The water is boiling. And actually, our campsite could be a little more aesthetic, but it's just like.
I wasn't serious.
Okay.
How'd you love it? No,
Keep-
drink more.
Why?
We're
Wrap.
eating too many pickies.
We have like 24 hot dogs.
In a hot dog.
Anything. Mystery meat, bro. Dude. Wait, let me try.
Why
You know
are
that
you doing
game
multiple?
Where you, because it's so sturdier.
Sturdy?
Okay.
No, you have to do this. You know.
No, it's
You have
coming
to
out.
break it in half, right?
It's artistic. You know that game where the marbles and the things you stick in it?
Yeah, and it
Yeah.
stops it.
What?
I'm gonna put a lot of things in this one, actually.
Sorry, what are you? Oh, is that what you, are you gonna?
I don't know.
Wait, isn't it gonna go soft?
This is like full valley meal.
But isn't it gonna go soft?
Yeah, I don't really know.
Why do you so much?
Dylan, show it to the camera.
It's too like.
Barbed
Why?
wire.
Are you, like, trying to make rules of my artistic noodle hot dog?
Like, do you think you fucking own the campsite or something?
Do you own spaghetti dogs?
That's his copyright?
Oh.
What do you do?
We're waiting for the pasta to boil.
Vlogging. Oh, remember when Ben had that like thing on his like?
Oh, the cancer mold?
Yeah.
I
where
still
is
have it.
Actually?
I don't know. Just
Let's
move
check.
to his ball.
Did melanoma actually kill you? I can't find it.
Bro,
You like,
Dude, there's fresh ones right
Dylan.
there.
okay, sorry. Just Ben, like, chill, bro. It's just a hot dog.
Ben, you want to help?
no.
Ben, why don't you get a spoon? Ah! Why don't you get a spoon to fix? To like.
Ben, now you know how I feel about the tent. Is this the same anger?
I don't think it's quite.
You were really mad.
Yeah, it's just, I would know. I wasn't like, I was just like sad. Like disappointed.
Defeated.
No, I was disappointed in our floppy ass tent. Like it really threw me off when even the fucking pole was broken. I'm like,
Yeah.
that was
I
just
was a
really
little scared.
full value.
Okay, here you go, Ben. Here you go, Ben.
Why is so much needed?
There's so much dressing.
Yeah, well, I didn't
Use it all.
doing what you did. I copied.
Eat it.
We had to do one.
Oops. Oh, how's our tea phase? Steeped?
Mine's pretty steep. I don't know what color yours is.
Using the
Steep.
pasta as a dip vein. Look at this. Oh,
Here's. Okay. What do I do? How do I open? My hands are like.
Not yet.
it's the same brutalities. No, but Jimena wanted to do it.
Do what?
You want to do
Hey guys, so we're in the tent. Oh shit,
like,
we're in the tent.
No, deadass.
Move my fit in here.
No, I'm not even joking. We can share 2 people on each cot. Not deadass.
No, I'm fine now. I moved.
Like, look how much space.
Okay, Paisley, you want to see?
I moved. I'm good.
Me and Ben can cuddle on the couch.
Wait, look at through this. Wait, where are you? Stop punching my butt.
Oh, Dylan. Yeah, Ben. Dylan.
Wait, who has my blanket?
We don't have your blanket.
Where did my blanket?
Anyways,
Yes.
this is where Paisley is
That's like my
sleeping.
head.
Do you sleep on your side?
Yeah. I can't sleep on my back because my back is really hurt.
Oh, because of Ultimate?
Can I drink my fucking juice or no?
Chugging that shit. The juice isn't going anywhere. No, but you want a big one. Paisley, you're gonna have a field day with this one.
Good?
I like exploding.
Yum.
Oh my god.
dog.
What happened?
Song.
Wait, turn up.
Eat my chocolate. Maybe you can't. Okay, GG's. GG.
Do we need to check out or anything? Okay, bye. Thanks.